This is Matt Crane, downtown today on this episode of Lantern with Greg Raiz, the co-founder and managing partner of FoundersEdge. Greg, excited to have you here. You're in the middle of the AI firestorm.
We're having a blast. It's amazing.
What are you building at FoundersEdge?
Yeah, we're really deep into everything AI, and we're really drinking from the fire hose. We're building from internal tools to really collaborate and work with founders to give founders the unfair edge. Fundamentally, we think that there's a lot of noise in the venture capital ecosystem, so we're really leaning on data and trying to scrape a lot of data to have better informed decisions, both as an investor and giving that edge back to founders as well, trying to give them really data-driven insights in terms of how they should be thinking about whether it's how they grow their company, what their go-to-market is, or who their customers should be.
And now it's 2026, there is so much happening as it relates to the market, as it relates to the startups that you're talking at the earliest stages. What's going on at FoundersEdge? What's going on in sort of the early stage startup market that you would share with the community?
Yeah, it's really exciting to see the startup community blossoming and a bunch of entrepreneurs leaning into some of the advantages that AI gives them. We're really interested and passionate about founders who are using some of their prior experience. One of the things we've observed from our data is that founders who have deep understanding of a target market tend to outperform. And so we're really looking for founders that really are going into often a boring industry, and they're leveraging AI to kind of really disrupt that industry. We think that's a huge opportunity right now.
Now, you've been a former founder, now you're building a fund. What are some of those learnings that you've leveraged into today that you would pass back to other fund managers who are starting out, maybe other founders, about sort of what this moment is like?
I think first and foremost, starting a fund is very much like starting a company. It's really founder mode. You really have to kind of re-examine everything from first principles, figure out your core values, what's important to you and your fund, what's your thesis and why do you believe it, and what's your unfair advantage for both sourcing founders and winning those deals, because deals, especially for some of the best founders, are very competitive. And so I think that's very much kind of identifying your ICP from a founder perspective. And so similarly for venture funds, creating a little bit of a differentiation. Who are you? What do you believe? And what markets do you play in? But from a macro level perspective, we are trying to take it from a tools and team perspective. How do you leverage AI to build the next generation firm? And how do you identify those founders who are doing the same within their startup companies?
That's great. And last, how can we help FoundersEdge? How can we help you grow here in Boston and around the world?
Fundamentally, we believe in founders helping founders, and that's kind of the core principle of FoundersEdge. We saw a lot of venture funds who are really writing a check, and there's nothing wrong with writing a check, but we really want to give founders a little bit of an unfair advantage. So we're really leaning into community. I'm based in the Boston area. My co-GP, she's based in Connecticut, and so we're trying to create and foster communities, but we do that not just in Boston. We're hosting events in New York City. We're hosting events in San Francisco as well, and so it's really about founders helping founders, and whether it's reaching out and offering feedback to a founder you see posting live on their build in public on TikTok or Twitter or Instagram, or trying other products and giving that feedback. I think that feedback is a gift, in creating that founder-to-founder community is really the thing that's going to create differentiation and long-term advantage.
A couple plugs. Their Ditch the Deck event series is awesome. You should check it out. And Greg's TikTok content is also top-notch. I highly recommend. This is Greg Raiz from FoundersEdge, Matt from M50 Boston on this episode of Lantern. Greg, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.